And just like that, a Sunday drive almost ended in tragedy. Sunday, the 2nd of June, the sun actually paid a visit to the UK. We had 21 degrees, we had sunshine, we had birds singing. So instead of me sitting inside, sweltering as the computer belched out heat and the VR made my face sweat, I figured I'd take a road trip. Bridgenorth is a town and a civil parish in Shropshire, England. The River Severn splits it into, well, it's actually two towns. There's High Town, where it's good to look down, and Low Town, where it's good to look up. So the upper town is on the right bank and the lower on the left bank of the River Severn. Bridgenorth has plenty of things to do if you ever have the opportunity to take a visit. There's Bridgenorth Cliff Railway, top station. There's Bridgenorth Castle and Gardens. There's Dudmaston Hall, Bridgenorth Town, which we're driving through right now, Lavington's Hole, Daniel's Mill, and then there's Bridgenorth Northgate Museum. You've also got the Ashbury Golf and Lodge Resort and the Severn Valley Railway. If you don't want to watch the entire video and just take in the scenery and take in the sounds of the drive, if instead you want to jump straight to the incident that started this video, skip ahead to 9 minutes and 4 seconds and you'll see the prelude to what could have been disaster. You'll see as traffic starts to become a little bit impatient behind a couple who are just out for a Sunday drive, doing the cliched Sunday drive, driving well below the speed limit, being safe, taking their time. Skip straight to the incident and see it repeated and in slow motion. Then skip to 10 minutes and 10 seconds into the video. Otherwise, enjoy the drive, and if you wouldn't mind, a like and a subscribe or a share would go a long way to helping the channel. So if you like this drive, if you want to see more content of road trips, let me know in the comments. If you want me instead to just stick to gaming content and only VR and maybe the odd virtual reality versus reality, let me know that in the comments too. Otherwise, thanks for watching. And that's it. Sunday drive over and sunshine over. It's now Tuesday, the 4th of June at the time of recording. And instead of 21 degrees, we have 11 degrees centigrade and pouring torrential rain. So thank you for hanging out on this journey, on this road trip. Again, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, sharing, liking the video, comment below. What are your views and opinions on that overtake? Was it the near disaster that I thought in real time? Or do you think that perhaps I'm a bit hyperbolic and exaggerating? Also, let me know if you want to see more road trips. There's loads of the UK that I can go and visit, or just stick to the VR gaming. Again, thanks for the support. See you in the next video.